What should I look for on dog treat labels? Artificial colors, sugar, flavors, and preservatives are among the things that are plain bad for dogs. Ingredients of lower grade, such as meat byproducts. Avert anything that contains molasses, syrups, or salt. Dog owners with allergic dogs should stay away from wheat, soy, and maize. Wheat and corn gluten, BHA, or butylated hydroxyanisole. BHT, or butylated hydroxytoluene ethamoxin. Food colorings such as yellow 5, yellow 6, red 40, blue 2, and 4-MIE. PG, or propylene glycol. Fat rendered.